Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to create a graph. First of all, you need to download the file you need for this sample paper B, creating spreadsheets and graphs. If you go to your classwork area and scroll down to Unit 2, creating and editing Microsoft Excel, I am going to be working on OCR Excel Sample B assignment document. Here is also the assessment, and we have two files. You can use either one of these. This one is a comma separated value. This file cannot be modified. It can be renamed to an XLS file if you want to use it to modify. Here is the Excel one, which we will use to create the graph. To download it, first of all, you need to click on this file. It opens like this. You can open it with Google Sheets, but I am going to be using Excel from a computer. So for this, I need to download it. If you move to the right here, we have three dots, which is the More Actions button. Click on this, select Open in New Window. And then you've got the Download button. If you click on this Download button, the file will download, and soon you will get notification here, it's downloaded. This file indicates that it's now downloaded. If I move my mouse over this, it shows me a folder sign. If I click on this, it will take me to the folder where this file has been saved. Here is the file I need. I will double click this to open it. Click on Enable Editing to start the process to create a chart. Stay tuned for the next video on how to create a chart.